Why am I grumpy after a nap? Have you ever woken up from a nap feeling grumpy, disoriented, and just plain awful? You're not alone. Let's figure out what's going on. When you take a nap, your body goes through different stages of sleep, just like it does at night. There's the light sleep stage and the deep sleep stage. If you wake up during the deep sleep stage, you're likely to feel groggy and grumpy. This feeling is called sleep inertia. It's a temporary state where you feel disoriented, drowsy, and your mental performance is impaired. Imagine waking up and feeling like you're in a fog. That's sleep inertia. The length of your nap plays a big role here. If you nap for too long, you might enter that deep sleep stage, which can leave you feeling worse when you wake up. Ideally, you want to nap for about 10 to 20 minutes. This way, you wake up during the light sleep stage feeling refreshed and alert. Timing is also crucial. Napping too late in the day can interfere with your nighttime sleep, making you feel sleep-deprived and grumpy the next day. It's best to nap in the early afternoon when your body's core temperature dips and you naturally feel a bit sleepy. Another factor is how sleep-deprived you were before the nap. If you're already tired, your nap might not be enough to fully recharge you, leading to that groggy feeling when you wake up. There are some theories about why sleep inertia happens. One idea is that it's related to adenosine, a molecule that builds up during the day and decreases when you sleep. If this molecule hasn't had time to clear out completely, you might feel tired after waking up. Another theory suggests it could be due to an increase in delta waves, which are more common in deep sleep and can increase after sleep loss or deprivation. To avoid feeling grumpy after a nap, try to keep your nap short and timed right. Washing your face with cold water, getting some bright light, or having a cup of coffee after your nap can also help you feel more alert and refreshed. So the next time you wake up from a nap feeling grumpy, remember it's just your body's temporary reaction to waking up at the wrong time in your sleep cycle. Adjust your nap length and timing, and you'll be feeling better in no time.